You guys, look at this. It's curly. Oh my god. It's coming. The thunderstorm is coming. I don't know, you guys. Farewell for me. And the rainy. And the thunderstorm is coming. You guys. Look at this. Look at the sky. You can hear the thunderstorm boom. But you guys, you need to be safe out there because the weather is bad. Thunderstorm are coming. Look. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Just look at that. Let me open this one. Let me open this one. Look at this. This is crazy. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna end it up and see you next time. Bye. Make sure to be safe at the thunderstorm so you don't want to be in danger. Bye. Oh.